Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette. And everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around. Cause he ain't got nobody to listen. I'm blue, I've indeed, I've died, 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 I've indeed, I've died. I'm blue, I've indeed, I've died, 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 I've indeed, I've died.
In the merry month of June, from me home I started, left the girls of June, nearly broken-hearted, saluted father dear. Kiss me darling mother, drank a pint of beer, me grief and tears to smother, then after reap the corn, leave where I was born, cut a stout black thorn to banish ghosts and goblins, a brand new pair of brogues, rattling o'er the bogs, frightening all the dogs on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hut the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Lolly-Ra. In Mullingar that night I rested, limbs so weary, started by daylight, me spirits bright, and nary took a drop of the pure. Keep me heart from sinking, that's the paddy's cure, whenever he's on for drinking. To see the lassie smile, laughing all the while, at me curious style, would set your heart to bubbling, and asked if I was hard, wages I required, till I was nearly tired of the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hut the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Lolly-Ra. In Dublin next arrived, I thought it such a pity to be so soon deprived of view of that fine city. Well then I took a stroll, all among the quality bundle it was stole, all in a neat locality. Something crossed me mind, when I looked behind, no bundle could I find upon me sick a woman. Inquiring for the road, said me Connacht Road wasn't much in vogue on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hut the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Lolly-Ra. From there I got away, my spirits never failing, landed on the quay just as the ship was sailing. The captain at me roared, said the door of Paddy, when I jumped aboard a cabin found for Paddy. Down among the pace, played some bonny rigs, and some hearty jigs, the water round me bubbling. When a Holyhead, wished myself was dead, or better far instead, on the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hut the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Lolly-Ra. When we safely landed, called myself a fool, I could no longer stand it, blood began to boil, temper I was losing, poor old Aaron's Isle, they began abusing. Hurrah me so, says I, to Shillelagh I let fly, Galway boys were nigh, and so I was a hobbling with the loud hooray, joined in the affray, we quickly cleared the way for the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hut the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Lolly-Ra. Hut the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for Lolly-Ra. Whack for Lolly-Ra.